We are operating with quite diverse businesses, and digitalization is a group-wide imperative for us. We scale what works across home appliances, automotive, and oil refining. Currently, we are operating with 6 WEF recognized lighthouses. In addition to value creation in terms of quality, productivity, efficiency, and sustainability, already proven capabilities. In that respect, what we have been talking about are the ones that we have already applied and benefited from. Take digital twins. Digital twins are emerging as productivity and flexibility engines. In the world that we are operating, we have to be operating in real, live data and decision tools. In that respect, in manufacturing, digital twin technology enables us to increase productivity and flexibility. At our car manufacturing plant, the productivity increased by 70%, and overall equipment efficiency increased by 13%. In oil refining, combining planning and financial decisions, we have been able to increase the forecasting accuracy up to 95%. So it is real, it is working, it's happening now. I can give an example of Platform 360 that we have developed in-house, and it has been deployed in more than 40 sites. It scales execution and decision quality across the businesses. This platform standardizes the diagnosis and decision across our businesses, and it is one of the most important aspects from our point of view to scale from pilot to the enterprise level.
Is the ability to evaluate and make these decisions?
We have been deploying artificial intelligence, machine learning, IoT, all the digital twins technologies, and it is not about deploying more technologies. It is more about strengthening the governance, operating systems, talent aspect, and the culture and leadership within the organization to make sure that we benefit from our capabilities across the board.